This marble mouse is the most amazing toy ever. This is a gift from a girl from China. You can see a cutout or the stencil of the marble mouse. First, you've got to draw and cut the stencil and then fold it to give it a shape of the mouse. There are a few lugs, and these lugs have either to be inserted in the slits or you can stick them. And slowly the shape of the mouse would emerge. These are the front paws. You can see there is an elliptical hole in the stomach of the mouse. Now this is the folded mouse all ready. This is the elliptical stomach to insert the marble. Now you pick up the folded mouse and take a marble and put it in the elliptical stomach. Place the mouse on a book. You can see the marble inside the stomach, and you tilt the book and the mouse just goes round and round. It's an absolute delight to see this mouse scurry along, make circles on the book. It's one of the simplest and the greatest toys. This is another species of the rat. It's the Rattus rattus. This is the bottom view where you can see the stomach and the marble. Once again you can see the marble. Place this again on the book, and here is the Rattus rattus, the most dangerous of the mouses, scurrying along, making circles after circles. What a delightful toy! With a small card sheet and a marble, you can make such a dynamic and a beautiful toy.